2026 Nissan Armada redefines full-size SUVs. Pros: bold exterior styling, improved driving refinement expected, new luxury and off-road trim levels. Cons: not much more fuel efficient than before. Big price increase for some trims. Better than updated 2025 Chevy Tahoe? What's new? The Armada enters its third generation for 2026, arriving as an essentially all-new vehicle. Highlight changes and updates on the 2026 Armada include: updated platform, new twin-turbo V6 engine, 9-speed automatic transmission, available air suspension, redesigned exterior and interior, larger digital displays, more tech features, expanded driver assist suite, Off-Road Pro 4X and luxurious Platinum Reserve trims introduced. What to expect? Once one of the older SUVs in the large SUV segment, the Nissan Armada received a full redesign for 2025. With the 2026 model year coming up quickly, we expect to see the 2026 Nissan Armada arrive as a carryover model without any major changes. The 2026 Nissan Armada should retain the same exterior design as the current SUV that's on sale. The Armada features a bold exterior design with C-shaped daytime running lights, horizontal light bars that outline the large square grille, and a chunky front bumper. The SUV has a boxy silhouette and black pillars to give the SUV a floating roof design. At the back, the Armada has a small roof spoiler, a stocky rear bumper, and rectangular tail lights. Nissan hasn't showcased interior photos for the 2025 Armada's interior lineup yet. Higher trim levels have an upscale design with a tiered dashboard that has a sweeping section that houses the digital screens, a section that protrudes toward the front seats and houses the vehicle's HVAC controls, and an elongated transmission tunnel with ample storage. The current Armada offers seating for up to 8 people. Cargo capacity figures have not been announced yet. The 2026 Nissan Armada should have the same overall interior design as the current SUV on sale. On the tech front, Nissan hasn't confirmed all of the 2025 Armada's features yet. The SUV will be available with dual 14.3-inch displays, Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an in-cabin passenger view monitor, Bluetooth, a wireless charging pad, and satellite radio. As a carryover model, the 2026 Nissan Armada will have the same standard tech features as the current model. 2026 Nissan Armada engine and specs. Power for the 2026 Nissan Armada should continue to come from a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine. The engine is rated at 425 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is standard and four-wheel drive is available. 2026 Nissan Armada safety. A full list of safety features for the 2025 Nissan Armada aren't available yet. The 2026 Nissan Armada should have the same safety features as the 2025 model. The 2026 Armada should come with Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite of advanced features as standard. Standard safety features should include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, automatic high beam assist, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, rear cross traffic alert, reverse automatic emergency braking, intelligent blind spot intervention, and intelligent lane intervention. 2026 Nissan Armada price. Nissan has not announced pricing for the 2025 Armada. The 2026 model should have the same price range as the current model. Competitors in the large SUV class include the Chevrolet Tahoe, Ford Expedition, Jeep Wagoneer, GMC Yukon, and Toyota Sequoia. 2026 Nissan Armada release date. With the 2025 Nissan Armada set to arrive at dealerships in fall 2024, the 2026 Nissan Armada should go on sale in fall 2025. More information on the large SUV should come out in the next year.